Today I'll be reading Numenia and the Hurricane, inspired by a true migration story, written by Fiona Halliday. Numenia and the Hurricane. Three sisters, born by Arctic shore on bare, cold rock as spring winds roar. Bandit-eyed, they slip unseen through beckoning moors of tangled green, hunting bugs in thawing creeks, spearing, gobbling, growing beaks. 5 weeks old, they've reached the sky. Curly, curly, curlew, they cry. Suddenly, it's equinox. Autumn calls. Its feathered flocks. Thousands gather on the moor, babbling, jostling, but unsure. Till wise old goose shows them the way, surging out of Hudson Bay. Three sisters rise and seek the height, guided by the North Star's light. But from the skies a great stampede, 10,000 hissing raindrops freed. One ripped away, she claws the air, blinded by the lightning glare. Down she swoops, her feathers flail, a tiny peep, a screeching wail. Escape, escape, the awful shriek! Faltering, she's wet and weak. Askew upon a windowsill, a dripping ghost with trembling bill. A moon face in a glowing pane, fingers reaching through the rain. In restless dreams, she's one of three sisters in a tangled tree. She lifts her eyes, she longs for flight, surging into dawn's red light. On stronger wings she battles on, searching, seeking, she is drawn. With storm-tossed birds like ragged ghosts, she hugs the lines of battered coasts. She's half the weight she was before, a clutch of hope and nothing more. But from the sigh of distant waves, echo sweet and haunting staves. Curlee, curlee, curlew, they ring. Through sundered skies her feathers sing. In crumbled rainbows, spindrift spun, she's molten gold in sinking sun. Wild trees wade the foaming tide, egrets hiss, fish glint and guide. Around her, roots snatch, entrap, paw her claw, her croak and flap. Then, weary-winged, she sinks her toes in rippling warmth. It's home, she knows. And cloaked in dancing fireflies, singing softly, two shapes rise. Here, where moon and shadows meet, three joyful sisters softly greet. And so their bond is forged anew. Curlee, curlee, curlew. The true story that inspired this book. The name Numenia comes from the numinous Theophis, the Latin name for whimbrels, a type of migratory shorebird. When I first saw a whimbrel on the Shetland Islands in Scotland, I was immediately fascinated. Despite my love of birds, I knew very little about whimbrels. Then I read about Hope. Hope was a whimbrel that scientists from the Center of Conservation Biology at the College of William and Mary tracked between 2009 and 2012. Every year, as Hope flew her migration route, they gathered information through a tiny solar-powered satellite transmitted. I'm cutting that.